API Hub is the API consumer-facing portion of API Portal's developer console. These API consumers can be app developers, partners, or anyone who must leverage the APIs on Portal. API Hub is easy to use and offers the flexibility of customizing for a different look and feel. Portal admins, API owners, and org publishers continue to manage and publish their APIs and manage their proxies using Portal. API Hub is built on top of React Admin, a popular UI development framework. React Admin leverages the material UI components for the UI elements. API Hub surfaces up Portal assets in the dataset by leveraging the Portal APIs and permission sets. It is flexible and easily extensible, allowing you to expose additional rich functionality and content. With API Hub, they get the flexibility to customize, the ability to provide a rich API consumer experience, and the ability to have their API program showcase their API products to API consumers per their marketing requirements. The standard API Hub is a reference implementation that is included with Portal. Portal admins, API owners, and org publishers can define how they engage with their API consumers and can define how their API consumers discover the APIs and understand what their API program offers by configuring and customizing the standard API Hub. The standard API Hub provides API search and discovery and testing within a Swagger doc. You can view your applications and then retrieve the API key and regenerate it when necessary. The standard API Hub supports localized content in Spanish and French. You can also extend API Hub to support other languages. At runtime, you can configure the following standard API Hub content to meet your personal specifications or preferences: the homepage message, localized API documents, API consumer documents for your API program that are unrelated to your APIs. This can include documents to explain how to leverage your APIs or a blog. You can add and organize these documents in the wiki in API Hub. Localized description of what your application means to your API consumers. You can extend beyond the standard API Hub to suit your business objectives by customizing it with your branding, theming, logos, rich content, and images. To get started with customizing API Hub, go to the Layer 7 GitHub at github.com/CAAPIM/API Hub. For learning, use the tours and videos that are included with the React Admin open source community, as well as the material in GitHub. There are no additional SKUs or costs associated with getting API Hub. For inspiration on how you can customize API Hub, see the Healthcare Developer Center. This example demonstrates a customized API Hub with a healthcare theme. It is an extension of the standard API Hub that includes custom pages and additional PAPI and Portal Metrics API calls. The source code for this example is available on the Layer 7 GitHub. Once you've customized your API Hub, you can learn more about how to register the hosting domain of your customized API Hub with Portal at techdocs.broadcom.com/API Portal. Now you can share your customized API Hub site with your API consumers.